Hey, what's up guys? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com, back with another Q&A. John sent us a picture of his, looks like a Chevy Dually here that he painted red. Let's read his question. I have a 1994 GMC. I just painted Victory red. I used a single stage acrylic enamel. I'm thinking of adding some black to it as well. Should I use a two-stage and clear the whole truck, or use another single stage and try to hide the paint lines in a crease? I would actually use two-stage. You could absolutely put a 2K clear on top of this, no problem. So what I would do is sand it down with, you could go, it's a single stage enamel, I would go with maybe 1,000 grit, or you could even go 800 grit. Sand it down really well, okay, and then do your black stripe, and then lay two to three coats of 2K clear coat on top of that. Alright, you can definitely just make sure you don't cut through the red to your primer or whatever you're doing. You know, scuff it up so your clear coat can hold to it, and go ahead and clear coat it. Do your black graphics and clear coat it. I even think white graphics would look good on this thing, but it might be too much of a fire truck looking. But silver, white, or black would definitely look good on this thing. And I as soon as I seen the picture, I knew that you were going to be asking a question like as far as two-toning it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Definitely you could use a two-stage clear and clear the whole truck and bury your enamel. You could even sand this thing down, right? With 800 or 1,000. And do your black graphics in a black base coat. It'll be easier because it's going to lay on thinner. It'll immediately dry, and you can clear coat right on top of that. So think of that. You know, buy maybe a quart of base coat. Quart of black base will give you a half a gallon of paintable material. You'll have a half a gallon of black to play with. You know, get some fine line tape. Mask up your lines, whatever you want to show. Right, and then mask up whatever you don't want to show, and then just get a base coat, you know, and just base it down. Base whatever graphics you want, take the tape off, and then boom, shoot away. You could even kind of sand those the lines down with like 1,500 grit, like wash them down, and wipe it with water, okay, with just plain water, and then tack it, and then clear coat it. You don't want to use wax and grease remover, because wax and grease remover will eat away your base coat. Alright, hopefully this gave you some tips on doing a two-tone kind of mixture with a single stage paint job. It can be done. I've done it. Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Thanks for watching the videos. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. If any of you guys watching has experience with something like this, let me know what you think. Comment below if you have any questions as well. It's Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like the video and the content. And don't forget to hit up LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com to grab your free 85-page auto body and paint manual by clicking this link right over here at the top right if you're on mobile. And you can also click the description if you're on a desktop on YouTube down below right over here in the description box down below. Alright, Tony here. Talk to you soon. Have a great time watching videos. Bye.